Hello and welcome to this Beat Your Competition Online lesson on SEMrush's Log Page Analyzer tool. Some of our students are not as interested in the content development side of search engine optimization, but are rather more technically minded. For those types of marketers, the SEO audit tool, which we mentioned in another video, is a fine place to start, but for those who want to dig really deep into the technical SEO, they'll be looking to utilize more complex tools in their work. They will want to know what exactly Google sees when it reviews a website. Fortunately, there's now a tool for that. It's called the SEMrush Log File Analyzer, and it's a new tool to add to your marketing toolbox. Web servers keep files called access logs. These contain data of all activity, including bots and people, that occurs on a website. This information helps SEOs track technical issues and optimize a crawl budget. Among the information collected, the Log File Analyzer examines status code and file type analysis, desktop and mobile bot activity, the most crawled pages on a website, opportunities to manage bot activity and optimize crawl budget, structural and navigational problems that affect the accessibility of certain pages. Why use this tool? Well, analyzing a log file manually is tiresome. Unless you're highly trained in technical website analysis, it can be an arduous task that leaves you cross-eyed and confused. If you want the quickest way to read an access log and understand how bots from Google interact with your website, this is the tool for you. Use it to assess a new client's website and establish a technical roadmap for ways to restructure and improve the website's crawlability. With it, you'll be able to answer questions like, what errors were found during the crawl? What pages were not crawled? Is your crawl budget being spent efficiently? What are your most crawled pages? Can you manage Google bots crawling? Let us see how it works. Before we bother to log into SEMrush, we need an access.log file in the proper format from our web server. The proper file format is combined log format, and it uses the following structure. You can see a sample string here. Mind you, you need to make sure this file is uncompressed and less than 1 gigabyte in size for SEMrush to be able to read it. Now that you have the access.log file, it's time to head to SEMrush. Once logged in, go to the top left of the SEMrush dashboard and assure that we are in the SEO toolkit. Then scroll down to the On-Page and Tech SEO section, where you will click Log File Analyzer. Now drag and drop your access log onto the center of the screen. Once your file is uploaded, click Start Log File Analyzer. One reason we like this tool is that it can spot trends in the Google search bot's analysis of our site over time. You can filter to show only desktop or mobile bot activity with the All Google Bots filter above the table, and adjust the time period. The charts on the right tell you how many of each status code and file type the bots interacted with. In the table below this chart, you can analyze all paths sorted by most bot hits for the given time frame. You can filter by status code, keyword in the path, or file type. With this information, look for consistency of response status to investigate availability issues. Investigate bot hits by content type to aid you in understanding whether the crawl budget spending has changed over time. You can filter by file type, including HTML, PHP, AMP, CSS, JavaScript, and JSON. Log file analysis is an extremely valuable source of 100% accurate data that allows you to understand what happens when a search engine crawls your website. Use the Log File Analyzer to improve your technical search engine optimization. See you in the next video.